Hi everyone, this is part 3 video of new series on Docker. In this video we will learn two most important building block of Docker, which are Docker image and Docker container, and try to understand how they are related. So, as we told, we don't just have container, we also have image in Docker. So what is the difference between them, and how Docker image is used to create a container? We already know about container in the previous video. For recap, we revised again. A container is a software, or a package that contain the code and all of its dependencies, that required to run the codes. For example, we can say, the Node.js programs and all the Node.js runtime required to run the Node.js program. In simpler term, we can say, the application and the entire runtime environment are packaged to run the application in a container. So it is the running unit of the application or the software. But, the image is the template, or blueprint, for a container. The image contain the code, the required tools, and runtimes to execute the code, and it is the container that then runs and executes the code. We have complete split or separation here, so that we can create an image with all these setup instructions, and all our code once, but then we can use this image to create multiple containers based on that image. As an example, if we consider about a Node.js web server application, we can define it once, but run it multiple times on different machines, or more specifically on different servers. So to relate the relation between container and the image concept, we can say container is the running instance of an image. We keep the video short as it was the important building block of Docker. In the next video of the series, a practical lab of running Node.js application using Docker. Hope you like our content. We are expecting a goal 1000 likes and 2000 shares of this video within 7 days. It will motivate us to create more content like this. Please do like, comment, share among your friends and colleagues, subscribe to motivate us, and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on our latest release videos. Follow us in the social handles. Links in the description below. There is a good news, which is, we are going to launch our website soon. From there, along with video demo, you can get step-by-step documentation of the instructions or the subject matter.